Welcome to our instructional video on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on the expression x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. We will walk through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression and reduce it to its simplest form. Let's get started. Let's start by factoring the numerator to simplify the rational expression. The numerator given is x squared plus 2x minus 3. To factor it, we need to find two numbers that multiply to minus 3 and add to 2. These two numbers are 3 and minus 1. Therefore, the factored form of the numerator is x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, substituting the factored form back into the original expression, we have x plus 3 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. This completes step 1, where we have factored the numerator. Next, we need to simplify the expression by canceling out common factors. The factored form of the rational expression is x plus 3 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Here, we see that we do not have any common factors in the numerator and the denominator that we can cancel. Therefore, the expression cannot be simplified further. The simplified form of the rational expression remains x plus 3 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. And that completes step 2, which is the final step, where we verify there are no common factors to cancel out, leaving the expression in its simplest form.